Okay.
Two.
Man, we can make an announcement to all the 4th District personnel that all of the court branches are open in the morning.
Unison 4, all the court branches are open in the morning. Unison 4, all the court branches are open in the morning.
1923, Robert's partner. Have, big guys over by our car.
No, that's all right. 619 North Laramie.
Yep, 10-4. Oh, that's all right. You're not in that. 672, 672. 12 755 East 80th Street. 755 East 80th Street. Tiffany Miles said Mel Black was following her. He's dark complexion, heavy set, wearing dark clothing. He's hiding in the doorway across the street.